In this video, we are going to walk you through how to make your own bath bombs. Whether you're creating for personal use or small-scale production, following the right method will help you achieve consistent, high-quality results every time. Let's get started. Start by combining your dry ingredients. Add the bicarbonate of soda and citric acid into a mixing bowl, then gently blend them by hand until fully combined. Now add the polysorbate 80. Pour in around 1/3 to begin with, mixing it through thoroughly. Continue adding it gradually, blending well between each addition. This slow approach helps prevent the mixture from activating too early. Once combined, it's time to add your fragrance. Slowly incorporate the fragrance oil, mixing thoroughly after each addition to ensure it is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Next, add your colour. Use cosmetic-grade colorants and mix to your desired shade. If you're creating multiple colours, divide the mixture into separate bowls before adding your colour to each portion. Now you're ready to mould your bath bombs. Take a 70mm stainless steel mould and fill each half, slightly overfilling them. Press the two halves together firmly to create a solid shape. To remove the bath bomb, gently tap the sides of the mould with a knife, then carefully lift it away. Finally, allow your bath bombs to cure. Leave them to dry and harden overnight. Once fully set, they're ready to use. And that's how you make bath bombs from start to finish. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more bath bomb videos.